Mastering modal verbs. Learn how to use can in English. Can is a modal verb. It indicates ability, permission, or possibility. I can play a piano. She can solve difficult math problems. Can I borrow your book for a week? You can call me if you need help. Can you open the door, please? He can't attend the meeting tomorrow. We can visit the museum this weekend. They can run faster than anyone else. It can get very cold in winter. Birds can fly high in the sky. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more English learning videos.